Making a large stainless steel pot is a complex process that involves several stages, from material selection to forming, welding, and finishing. Here is a detailed step-by-step description of the process. Grade of stainless steel. Choose the appropriate stainless steel grade, typically 304 or 316, depending on the pot's intended use. Food grade, corrosion resistance, and then thickness. Select the appropriate thickness of the stainless steel sheet. For large pots, the thickness typically ranges from 2 mm to 6 mm to ensure durability. Fabricate handles using stainless steel rods or sheets. Bend the handles to the required shape using a hydraulic press. Cutter. Use a laser cutter, plasma cutter, or shearing machine to precisely cut the components. Weld the base to the body using TIG or MIG welding. This creates a watertight seal. Fabricate handles using stainless steel rods or sheets, depending on the design. Grinding and polishing. Rind the welds to make them smooth. Polish the entire pot to achieve a uniform finish using abrasive pads and buffing machines. Using the technology with which we are achieving this global reach with our products. Extra polishing for high quality finished electro polishing to enhance corrosion resistance and give a mirror like shine. Clean the pot thoroughly using industrial grade cleaners to remove residues from the manufacturing process. Okay, so leak testing. Fill the pot with water and check for leaks, ensuring welds are watertight. Clean the pot thoroughly using industrial grade cleaners to remove residues from the manufacturing process. Okay, so this process requires skilled workers, precision tools, and machinery. Manufacturers often use advanced automation to ensure consistency and efficiency.